Hey y'all, what's up? I am actually in my closet right now. I have my little partition up, um, background set up that I will be using in a lot of my videos now, but I am getting ready to DIY my Diva ring light. A lot of my fellow YouTubers, some girls that I follow, all have like made their own. I'm sorry, it's Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday, we chilling, whatever. But they've made their own ring lights. So I have been watching their videos and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make my own because your girl, I don't have money like that to be spending on $150 for a light. You know what I'm saying? But I'm here for it. I'm here for what it does for the facial, so you guys can see me better in my video. So I am going to make one. So stay tuned. Let me get set up and you guys will start seeing what stuff is in the background. So okay, stay tuned. I'll be right back. What do you guys think of this? Bye. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is, of course, take the tag off, and then you are going to need to take your foil and put it all over your light. So let me go ahead and prep that, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I forgot to mention, make sure that if you don't get these particular lights, make sure that you get the light that comes with the cords. Mine has a dimmer on it, so I can adjust the lighting, but it also, on the inside of the box, it has the actual adapter cord. There are some lights on Amazon that only come with the light, so you're gonna need the actual lights to work. And it looks like I have the little fancy cords there, so I'm gonna have to get my husband to help me with the electrical part of that. But I will be right back, guys. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken about 4 strips here, and you can already see the glare in just this alone. So just having this foil alone will help you with the glare light. As a photographer, I know all about, you know, the foil side of a light to give you a more bounce light. So what you're going to do is you're going to move your 4 pieces to the side, and you're going to take them one by one, and make sure you can use either the side that folds in or the side that's dented. I'm going to use the side that's dented in on the wreath, because I kind of want to make sure that I can get everything in there. Like as far as my lights, it'll be easier to place them inside there and they won't fall out. So there is a dull side and then there's a shiny side. You will know what's the shiny side. So depending on what side you want your lights to be on, make sure that shiny side is up, and you're just gonna start rolling it on in there. y'all, I'm coming to you straight up vlog style because I know you're like, Mika, what happened? Where's the stand? Well, I have it here, but it's not the one that I was making in the clip before this. It is actually the second one, because if you noticed in that clip, let me sit down, I actually cut the light cord before. I don't have my stand up. This is just impromptu because I need to finish this video. But I cut it too soon, and when I realized that, I literally broke down, and my husband was like, I mean, it still looks really good. It's still fairly bright. It's just not the look I wanted. So I'm gonna show you guys the one that I have here. Actually, I want you to see how my face lights up from this one first. And it is the adjustable dimmer light. There I is, y'all. And this is all the way up, which I'll probably never have it this bright. Like, it's still going. And this is going down. So I like to keep it there, which is about midway through, and I push it back. And it could be, all the lights could be off in here, and I would turn it completely off. So let me turn it off so I can show you guys. I'm gonna turn you around. Do not mind my messy counter. Fair warning. Okay, hold on, y'all. Okay, so this is my ring light. Hey guys. And as you can see, it starts here, and from the first video, I did just like the first outer ring, and me and my OCD brain thought if I cut it, then add it, cut it, then add it, that would be good. The only thing is with these, they're all connected by, once you cut the strip there, you cut the connection off to the other end of the lights. So only from here to where you cut it will work. So that was my little OCD brain mistake, but this is what it turned out. This one does have adhesive on it, but this is what it looks like, and I will try to turn the light on, and y'all can see me in the background trying to. So that's what it looks like, y'all. Isn't it pretty? And it goes all the way up, and that is all the way up. Isn't that awesome sauce? I don't know what my kids are doing, y'all don't. But I generally keep it about right there. But isn't it awesome? And then the stand is, whoops, turn it down, Mika. Okay, the stand, I got all of this from the dollar store. This stand, I connected it with the zip ties that I got at the dollar store. I think I showed you guys that in a clip. And yes, the ones that I got are adhesive. I know a lot of people get the ones that are at Walmart, and they put the zip ties on so the ropes won't fall down. My brain kind of just knew that the adhesive wouldn't stick forever, which it doesn't. So I have the zip ties here to make sure that the lights don't droop. I think I'm actually gonna add another one here, just to make sure that that doesn't fall over or anything. This is an option for me. This total cost me, I think I paid, let me turn you guys back around. I paid $9.99 for the lights, and let me turn my light on so y'all can see me. You know, I paid $9.99 for the lights, and there we go. I paid $9.99 for the lights, and it is the GuoTonG flexible LED strip lights. I got the non-waterproof ones, the white lights, and that's that right there. I will have a link down below to the ones that I got. It comes with the dimmer. I showed you guys a clip that in the beginning. If I can, I will pop another clip beside me to show you everything that came in the box. But I mean, it does what it does. I paid $1 for the zip ties. I got all this stuff at the dollar store. I paid $1 for the zip ties. I paid $1 for the foil. $1 for the paper towel stand, and $1 for the wreath, the ring wreath thing that I put it on. So a total zip ties, foil, ring leaf stand, and then so that's $14 that I spent on this light. So well worth it. Bomb.com, and the lighting is, yes God. I mean, you can't beat that, especially if you are a YouTuber on a budget. Don't mind my hair right now, y'all. It's wash day, and I probably won't get to wash my hair until tomorrow. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and finish this video really quick. This is more of a product haul demo type thing. I really couldn't show you how to make it because what I did work. The one little strip light did give me a lot of light, but I'll pop in a clip of me using the light with just that one little strip around. This one I have 4, because this one, it doesn't say how long it is. It says it in the description, so when you buy it, it says like what the length is. But yeah, I'm just rambling on and on. I really liked it. It came out awesome for me, and hopefully you guys can check that out. So it was a fail, but it worked because I actually still use that light at my desk in my room. But yeah, tell me what you guys think of my light. Tell me what you think. Definitely give this a try if you are looking for a short-term option. $14 versus $150, girl. So yeah, so I will chat with you guys later. I'm about to go edit this video and pop it on for you guys, and I will see you in a minute. Yeah. Bye guys.